What is inheritance and types of inheritance? In C#, inheritance is a process in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of its parent object. That means you can reuse, extend or modify the attributes and behavior which is defined in other classes. The inheritance concept is based on a base class and its derived classes. Let us see the definition of base class and derived classes. Base class, the class from which features are to be inherited into another class. Derived class, the class that is inherited from the base class. 1. Inheritance is based on is-A relationship. 2. It provides code reusability. Types of inheritance dash. 1. Single inheritance. 2. Multi-level inheritance. 3. Multiple inheritance. 4. Hybrid inheritance. 5. Hierarchical inheritance. Thanks for watching this video, Heart.